Yeah, welcome back. We are now in the center of Upper Austria at Hofwimmer Thomas' company. He's a carpenter producing furniture, doors and windows and full clothing and curtain walls of homes. He invested in an energy storage system for the main purpose to store energy and level off peak demands, create a revenue, and keeps the power bill small. As again, we have here installation made by Jan from Elektrobruder with about 120 kilowatt hours of battery modules with 3 15 kVA inverters from Victron Energy. The system is up and running and the customer is happy. So Pytes batteries, power by the world.